We continue with the news tonight. The body of the late MDCT leader and former Prime Minister in the inclusive government, Mr. Nelson Chamisa, has arrived from South Africa and will lie in state at one commando barracks in the capital.
Many are calling it a platform to share.
Apologies for that mix-up there. We bring you that report there where the body of the late MDCT leader and former Prime Minister in the inclusive government, Mr. Nelson Chamisa, has arrived from South Africa and it will lie in state at one commando barracks in the capital.
Hundreds of MDCT party supporters thronged the Robert Mugabe International Airport to receive the body of Mr. Nelson Chamisa. MDCT National Chairperson, Mr. Morgan Committee and Family Spokesperson, Mr. Collins Tsvangirai, thanked government for assisting in the repatriation of Mr. Tsvangirai's body. Mr. Collins Tsvangirai also spoke about the burial arrangements of the late Mr. Tsvangirai.
The state has been assisting in handling even the repatriation process and throughout the whole process the state will be involved. The state is assisted even providing some of the logistics that they are helping the person. I'm sure we do appreciate that.
Muswe chipiri taati chiti kuma 11 mogena anenge oradzikwa kumusha.
Acting Media, Information and Broadcasting Services Minister, Ambassador Simon Kaya Moyo, described the late Mr. Tsvangirai as a courageous man who deserved a befitting send-off.
Ndatumwa na President, His Excellency President E.D. Mnangagwa, kuti ndiwe kuno ndiende ku airport on behalf of government, on behalf of our own party, to receive together with Amane Chamari the body of a great man. Nonzi Pasari Kuti.
The arrival of the body witnessed some friction as the late Mr. Tsvangirai's mother protested over the presence of Mr. Nelson Chamisa and Mr. Tsvangirai's widow, Elizabeth.
Eriza ndikuona Pano na Chamisa kana speaker ya Chamisa ndikuiona yesu ndiri pano ndikazvisungirira.
Government has announced it will give the MDCT leader a state-assisted funeral. Roderick Mashingaidze, ZBC News, Harare. Arrival of the body witnessed some friction as the late Mr. Tsvangirai's mother protested over the presence of Mr. Nelson Chamisa and Mr. Tsvangirai's widow, Elizabeth.
Eriza ndikuona Pano na Chamisa kana speaker ya Chamisa ndikuiona yesu ndiri pano ndikazvisungirira. Eriza ndikuona Pano na Chamisa kana speaker ya Chamisa ndikuiona yesu ndiri pano ndikazvisungirira. Eriza ndikuona Pano na Chamisa kana speaker ya Chamisa ndikuiona yesu ndiri pano ndikazvisungirira.